Welcome to Beddington Heights School. Currently at Beddington Heights, we have 420 students, with 55 students learning online through Hub. While most students arrive at school by walking or being dropped off by their parents, there are a few that take the bus, as we have quite a large catchment area. Most students will usually stay at school for lunch, where they are supervised by our lunch supervisors. We also offer half-day kindergarten. Before and after school care is facilitated by providers in the community and school. At Beddington, we have a start time of 7:55 and our day ends at 2:30. This year, we have also implemented staggered lunches. Based on the success that we have had with our staggered lunches, we believe that we will continue with this practice in the upcoming school year.
The students at Beddington are a diverse population with over 30 different languages being spoken at home. We build community at our school through focusing on the pillars of care and other wellness initiatives that will later be mentioned by our learning leaders. Furthermore, we have been incorporating Indigenous ways of knowing into our programming by highlighting special events, Indigenous history, and culture. To meet the diverse needs of our students, we have several specialist teachers, including music, physical education, English language learning, and reading. During a regular school year, we welcome parents into the building through Meet the Teacher Night, student-involved conferences, twice yearly, our winter and spring concert, family dances, literacy night, and math night. Throughout our video, we hope to provide you with a greater insight into our school, programs, and values from a few of our staff members. We look forward to welcoming you into our building during the 2021-2022 school year.
Hi, welcome to kindergarten at Beddington Heights. We are so lucky to have a morning class and an afternoon class. Kindergarten is usually the introduction to formal schooling for most of us, so we try to make our program very similar to a grade 1 to grade 6 program. We do differ in our core subjects by having more hands-on exploration, focusing on dialogue to practice the vocabulary, and then we do practice these core subjects through our centers, which are less structured, and they're based on fine motor skills, creative expression, and student interests. For more information about our kindergarten, you can find it on our school website. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Mr. Shackleton, 5'6" teacher and a learning leader here at Beddington Heights, and you're gonna follow me and we're gonna go on a tour about all of our specialist programs here. Okay, so in this room, this is where a lot of the reading magic happens with our reading specialists. As you can see, it's very nicely spaced out. We have a lot of reading prompts to help us go through our decoding, comprehension, and fluency. And as always, we like to encourage our readers, because today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Here at Beddington, we have such an awesome gym, and we all love our gym time. It's so big, we're even allowed to do 2 classes in here at once in COVID-friendly environments. If you come follow me in here, we have some great equipment, tons to do, tons to learn. Here at Beddington, gym's always a goal.
Hi, my name is Josh Berry. I'm a grade 3-4 teacher, learning leader, and technology specialist at Beddington Heights. Today I'm going to speak to you about one of our main focuses at Beddington, which is reading. In grades K-4, our students are focusing on decoding and phonics skills, with the grade 3-4 students moving into reading comprehension later in the year. What does this mean? Well, decoding is the ability for people to translate print into speech by quickly matching a letter or combination of letters to their sounds and recognizing this and then turning them into words. Some decoding strategies include chunking sounds together, looking at the pictures for help, stretching the word to hear all the sounds, rereading a word, and many, many more. Moving on, in grade 5 and 6, students are focusing on reading comprehension. They are focusing on understanding the text they read, starting at a basic level and moving their way towards a deeper understanding. This includes remembering details and understanding what was read all the way to students analyzing and inferring the text that they read. This year, the students will focus on predicting, inferencing, identifying key details, and looking closer at text features, among many other things. Students will practice annotating and close reading, answering Bloom's questions to make the students think deeper about the text that they read.
My name is Nicole Byrne. I'm a grade 1 teacher and learning leader here at Beddington Heights School, and I'm going to talk about some of the wellness initiatives at our school. First of all, Beddington uses the pillars of care as the foundation of our safe and caring school. Our 4 pillars are care for self, care for others, care for place, and care for learning. We also have a 5th pillar that rotates each month to highlight important virtues such as respect and compassion. Every month, our teachers choose students to receive awards for demonstrating each pillar of care in our classrooms and school community. Here you can see the bulletin boards around our school that celebrate the amazing things our students do to show the pillars of care. Each class also engages in a daily mindfulness period where they practice mindful movement, breathing exercises, and other calming activities. Our school also uses the zones of regulation to help us identify and talk about our feelings. We practice matching our feelings to the zones as seen in these posters created by students. We also talk about strategies on how to deal with feelings in productive and positive ways.